Hi everyone, Lori Gagne with the BGM Real Estate Team at RE/MAX Affiliates. Welcome to 48 La Prairie in Embrun, Ontario. Come on in, let's have a look. This Woodfield home has 3 bedrooms. The master has a walk-in and an ensuite. There's a main floor den, beautifully open kitchen with lots of pantry space, and a family room with a vaulted ceiling and fireplace. So not just a great house on a great street, but now you have the extra bonus of 3-car garage. If you have a toy, if you need parking for 9, this is it. Thanks for taking the tour. If you need any more information, give us a call, 613-558-8000.